Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on MissStarTv, and this time I'm going to show you this doll-like Coraline makeup look. If you'd like to see how I achieve it, then please keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to shave off my eyebrows. Not really. Actually, I'm going to put several layers of glue stick on top of them and flatten them out, letting each layer dry. I'm going to use a hair dryer to speed up that process. Then I'm going to put several layers of concealer on top of that. Then I'm going to put several layers of setting powder on top of that, like this. Okay, now that my real brows are mostly gone, I'm going to use a brow marker in order to draw in her brows, like this. Okay, let's hope the other side turns out the same way. Okay, now I'm going to put on my concealer and foundation as I normally would, like this. Okay, now I'm going to put some setting powder all over both eyelids. Then I'm going to use a small fluffy brush and put this light brown on the creases to give them more depth, like this. Okay, now I'm going to take a brown brow pencil, pressing and twisting around my cheek area to make the round freckles, like this. And now I'm going to apply my skin tone lip cream. You can use whatever nude lipstick that you want, like this. And now I'm going to apply my wig, like this. Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below and we'll get to those as soon as we can. Also, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. And don't forget, you can become a huge part of our MissStarTv family by supporting us on Patreon. Thank you guys so much. Bye!